Hi, we are doing the repair work for the Stapleton family. Today is December 5th of 2024. The temperature outside is 60 degrees. This is the wind damage shingle that we'll be repairing. The shingles surrounding it are in pretty fair or decent conditions. Let's begin. First thing that we like to note is a couple different things when we do a repair test. First, when it comes to the degree of lifting of the shingles to remove the nails, inserting the nails back into the roofing system, is that there is no manufacturer instruction that states the degree of how high you have to lift the shingles or anything like that. But we do know there is a certain degree where you do start seeing the shingle probably becoming a little bit more malleable to the repairs, having a little bit more granules coming off. So we're going to be mindful to try to do this a little bit carefully as possible. But I also want to note, if there's any shingles that are deformed, a bruise, has abrasion on it, bruising on it, major matting transfer, anything like that, that is going to deem this repair unrepairable. But let's continue. Check, I didn't set the camera for this far, so we're on check. If you can still see me, cool beans, you can. So right here, I can't really see the nail, but if I lift it up like this, I can definitely see the nail. I'm gonna do a POV. It looks like the nails are not in their in their nailing zone location. So we're repairing, we're doing a repair test, removing this shingle, this sheet right here. I want to note, you cannot see the nail, you cannot see the nail. Lifting it up like this, now you can see the nail. So we're noticing the nail is not in the nailing zone like it should be. Where my finger is pointing at right here is the nailing zone. It is slightly higher than that. So we're going to have to bend the shingle a little bit higher than average. Just want to note that on the file. Yeah, same thing with this one, is up higher, so I'm gonna record, give you all the POV. Once again, we're repairing this sheet, we're taking out this sheet. With this one, you cannot see the nail, you cannot see the nail, you cannot see the nail. Now we have to lift up pretty high to get that nail out. Once again, this nailing, the nail is not in the correct nailing zone, but we like to note that. That's the reason why we do have to lift up the shingle up at a certain degree that is higher than average. Just want to note that. Once again, cannot see the nail, can see the nail, and that's pretty high. Thank you. All right, let's continue. This is a good picture right here. I'm going to take how the nailing zone is a little bit weird. So where this nail is at, correct nailing zone. Where that nail is at is not correct. So once again, lift up, can now see that second one. Cannot, can't. So I want to note this. We are having some creases forming on 1, 2, 3, and 4 tabs so far. And let's continue. We will be using the roof snake to install the nails. We're not too big of a fan of this. Sometimes the roof snake will